Hello, my name is Steve Hopkowitz. I'm in Section 1 of George Stewart's 9 a.m. FOP class, and today I will be demonstrating to you a Rubens tube. This tube is a long tube of which you drill small holes at equal distances across the length of our tube. In our case, the tube is 6 feet long. The side you see here is the side that will be connected to the propane tank. It is sealed tightly and then epoxied to make sure no gas leaks, and then a hose is attached. The other side is sealed with a thin membrane, in this case a whoopee cushion. It's just thick enough to prevent gas, but thin enough to allow sound to pass through. If done correctly, this is what it should look like. As you can see here from our lighting process, things didn't turn out exactly as planned, but nonetheless we were able to complete the experiment. What happened was that our speaker on the one side was not directly connected to the tube. Thus, it didn't allow sound to only pass through the tube without escaping. For the sake of a clear diagram, we're going to go back and use this picture again. As you know, a wave is made up of compressions and rarefactions. What you can see here is the compressions of the wave. The rarefactions are actually hitting the bottom of the tube, thus not forcing out the propane to go any higher. The tube is really made to see different frequencies and wavelengths. As you increase a pitch going through, you should notice that the higher flames will get closer together. If you look really close, you can see it move a little bit in the next part. The frequencies of the pitches that were sent through were from 200 to 400 in increments of 10 Hertz. The human error here came from not having the speaker directly attached to the end of the tube. This allowed sound to escape from the tube, and thus it didn't have more of an effect on the flames. To wrap it up, the purpose of the experiment was to prove that as frequency increases, wavelength decreases. Thus, the higher flames would have been closer together if everything had gone through right. Again, my name is Steve Hopkowitz. I am in George Stewart's Section 1, 9 a.m. FOP class, and that was our Rubens tube.